very, very well. All right? This is a Sumso model, the German model, same company. See the green base. Okay, let's see what we have. So we have now my enlarged kidney. All right. Now, this lighter area, by the way, this dark brown thing over here is the capsule, which helps protect the kidney. Now, this outer area here is the cortex. Underneath that is the medulla. As you note, the medulla is made up of these pyramids. The bases of the pyramids are towards the top. The apices are pointing down. Okay. What else can we see besides that? Well, let's take a look. So here we have these pyramids. Here's a pyramid. The apex is also called a papilla, okay, which here, 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 here. Now, the urine that is produced is dripping from these papillae, and they're going into the minor calyces. Here, see, it's like a funnel. Here, this is section. Here, you see them over here. This is more like a funnel. Here, they're just in section in this one. So you see here, 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 here. The minor calyces, here and here, go into major. Here's a major calyx. Over here, major, major, you see? Minor to major. And then you have this area in here, the renal pelvis, where everything goes into, right around over here. And then here is the upper portion of a ureter. Okay. What they're also showing you here is some of these nephrons. They're showing you where they fit into the big scheme of things. Now you see all of these little white balls here? Those are all renal corpuscles. See how they would be, and this is only one section. They'd be all over the place. Here, I'm going to do the blood vessels in a little while. Here is this. Take a look at this. Make believe this is over here, this triangle. Got it? Okay. So what do we have here? These in white in this company are the various renal corpuscles or Bowman's capsules. Notice in each one, they should have two sectioned here. In each one, there is a glomerulus coming from each capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, descending limb, ascending limb, distal convoluted tubule, collecting duct or collecting tubule here. Okay, now, here it looks like there's only one, but actually there'll be more. Here is another one. So here is a glomerulus, proximal convoluted tubule, descending, ascending, distal convoluted tubule, collecting.
What is the papilla?
Papilla is just at the apex, papilla is like a little pimple kind of a thing. You remember when you saw in the duodenum that papilla where you have the pancreatic duct going into and the common bile duct go into? Okay. Question.
So for each branch that sticks out, you've got
each one of these branches that are coming out, you're going to have a distal convoluted tubule going into.
Thank you.
Correct. Now, here, what they've done here is just taken one of these and magnified it. Okay. Here you have an afferent arteriole. This is a glomerulus. It's showing you here. Efferent arteriole. Capsule. What is this?
This proximal
convoluted tubule comes from the capsule. What is this?
Distal.
This would be a piece of the distal convoluted tubule. Now, what I'm not going to go into now, this afferent, does the afferent look a little different than the efferent? Yes.
Yeah.
Here the afferent has a smooth muscle going around it, which will help control the blood flow into this. Now, this can sense the blood pressure in your system. This over here is called the juxtaglomerular apparatus. We'll talk a little bit more about it in the lecture. So you have special cells here that are able to tell the pressure. You may ask, why is this red and this beige? No, this is all the same. What they did, again, you remember I told you a model is trying to illustrate something? These are the actual capillaries themselves. Surrounding each of these blood vessel capillaries are these cells called podocytes, P-O-D-E, P-O-D-O, like foot, podocytes. So what the model did was use this side without the podocytes, this side with the podocytes, but I want to let you know that all of them have the podocytes. Okay. Okay. Now, blood vessels. Ready?